Welcome. This video explains step-by-step tutorial for the beginners to make mold using liquid silicone rubber. This mold can be used for casting applications related to clear epoxy resin. A square box is made using acrylic glued on all sides using glue gun. Clay is added in the box in this acrylic box at the bottom to make pouring area for the liquid silicone rubber. The object which is to be created is placed inside the box on the clay. The width, depth and height of the box is measured using scale. Find out the volume of liquid silicone resin to be poured inside the box. Liquid silicone resin is poured into the beaker and calibrated, and coloring agent is added. As you can see, it is calibrated. A coloring agent is added. It is then mixed thoroughly in the beaker so that a uniform color is obtained. After this, a curing agent is added and quickly go for vacuum degassing process. We are using here Burhani Hardware And Fittings vacuum degassing vacuum chamber. The jar is now kept inside the vacuum degassing chamber. Vacuum degassing process started. The liquid silicone rubber starts to raise and then again it settles down. This is the time when the process is over. At this point, the liquid silicone resin is poured onto the mold. Care is to be taken that the liquid silicone rubber is properly placed inside the box. The box is then tapped in all directions so that liquid silicone rubber settles down all around the object without any bubbles. The liquid silicone resin is then placed inside a pressure pot. This is done to obtain a perfect mold. The lid is kept inside. 4 clamps are tightened to obtain uniform pressure inside the pressure pot without leakage. The pressure pot is connected to an air supply. The valve is slowly open so that pressure raises around 50 psi. You can keep around 50 to 55. This is the filling up of air inside the pressure pot. The valve is slowly open and then closed. Now the air pressure is slowly released outside the chamber. The pressure pot is open and the mold is removed out of the chamber. We have obtained a liquid silicone mold free of bubbles inside. A tape is cut using a knife. Now the mold is ready for liquid silicone operation. A knife is used to cut. Now this is the mold. Now this is again secured safely using a plastic tape so that there is no leakage outside the liquid silicone rubber mold. Epoxy resin is measured kept on the top of a scale. A coloring agent is added as per our requirement. Curing agent is added. It is then kept inside the vacuum degassing chamber. Process is started. Once the epoxy settles down, it indicates the end of the process. The epoxy resin is taken out of the chamber and poured inside the mold. Slowly, it is then kept again inside the pressure pot. This is called a pressure casting. Using this process, a uniform casting is obtained. And all detailed parts are visible after casting process. The clamps are secured. They are tightened. The pressure source will now be applied, and the pressure is pressurized to 50 psi. So after release of air out of the chamber, here we will have the casting ready. The tape is removed using a knife. The casting is ready. Slowly taken outside the mold, and that's it. Here we have a similar object of casting ready.